Thank you for taking time out of your day to check out this video. You can see here I have the Copilot icon in the Word doc as well as up top. If I click that, I can draft something. So AI and Copilot is really beneficial from a use case standpoint for just brainstorming. Help me get started with something. I don't even know where to start. I'm looking at a blank sheet. So let's just say I want to create an HR handbook for a tech company. I'm just going to type in create an HR handbook for a tech company and say generate. It's going to take a little bit of time, but I'll just show you what the output looks like. So you can see, right, it's continuing to generate that information. A good thing to note here as we wait for this to get created, you should use AI as a good starting point, get the wheels turning, or to help you proof things or coach you on things. Do I sound too aggressive? Do I sound too passive? Or to summarize content, you should not use it as create me this information and then go with it and send it. It always needs to be reviewed because AI will always work to appease whatever you're asking. And there's a thing called AI hallucinations where it will just generate fake content, even if not true. We have a blog on our website if you want to take a look and learn more about that. So then looking at a PowerPoint example, if I say create a presentation about, and I'm going to say create a presentation showing current retirement strategies, new trends, and new threats. See what the output looks like. So it created me 16 slides. I'll go through it here quickly. So you can see where there's some business benefit, some use cases for Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Email is another one I mentioned. You can use it to help draft email, coach you on email. I don't know if you ever get emails where there's like 20 correspondence back and forth and it's like, I don't really have time to read all this. You can click the summarize button and it's going to give you, here's the 5 main things or however many main things there are, and then there'll be a number that you can click on 1 through 5 and it'll take you to that spot of the email thread so you can get a little deeper dive if you want to on it. And then I'm going to show you what this looks like with Copilot running in meetings. I'm going to turn my camera off. So you can see here on the right-hand side, I'm recording this meeting, plus I have transcription turned on. By doing that, it's recording everything I'm saying. Anybody that attends as a guest or a participant in the meeting is going to record what they say. So what I can do is click Copilot. One of the benefits we see right now clients using is I can't attend the meeting, I'm double booked. I just want to see what the summary was of this meeting, or man, I hate taking meeting minutes and I want to really participate and then have something take the notes for me. So Copilot does a good job of taking meeting minutes. So I'm just going to type in meeting recap, and you can prompt this in a couple different ways, right, to modify and tweak the output. So here it's going to generate the response. So pretty accurate, right, with what we've covered so far. You can say, give me a to-do list, or there's sometimes pre-populated prompts. I'm just going to click list action items. We haven't really had a lot for action items, so yeah, it says I'm sorry. But if I would say, I'm going to take this to-do to follow up in a week on ABC item, Bob Smith, take this to-do to follow up on XYZ item that's due by the end of August. And it looks like it's still generating, but it would kick out an output saying, hey, Jake has these to-dos, Bob has these to-dos. So it makes the meeting recap information and meeting minutes really streamlined. See here if I can bring up the additional detail. So when you go into your calendar and click on the meeting and then go to recap, when the meeting ends, it's going to generate the AI notes. And then in here, you can also hit Copilot and do the same exact things I was just doing. If you have more questions or want to learn more about it, please feel free to go to our website and reach out. Appreciate your time. Thank you.